Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Windows Shift S not working fix in Windows 10. First method is click Start, Settings, click System. Click Clipboard. Turn on Clipboard History. Second method is click Start, Settings. Click System, click Notifications and Actions, turn off and on Snip and Sketch. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Ease of Access, click Keyboard. Turn on Use the Print Screen button to open screen snipping. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.